Naomi Home presents a help guide to the parts and pieces of the Susie wood Cabana low loft bed. Refer to page 4 of your assembly instructions where the list of parts is shown. There you'll see that every part has a corresponding number to help you identify them. But what if your labels got scratched off or lost? If you find yourself in this situation, then this video is for you. Starting off with part number 1, look for a part with a slanted top, a large hole to the left and a small one to the right. 2 holes to the left side, 1 singular hole in the center, and 3 to the right side. Part number 2 will be the part with a slanted top facing the opposite direction as part number 1, a small hole to the left and a large one to the right. 9 holes to the left side, 1 singular hole in the center, and 5 to the right side. Parts number 3 will be the parts that have a connecting piece that looks like so, on both sides. Parts number 4 is similar to part number 3, but thinner. Part number 5 will be the part with a slanted top that's facing the same direction as part number 2, a small hole to the left and a large one to the right. 3 holes to the left side, 1 singular hole in the center, and 2 to the right side. Part number 6 will be the part with a slanted top that's facing the same direction as part number 1, a large hole to the left and a small one to the right. 5 holes to the left side, 1 singular hole in the center, and 9 to the right side. Part number 7 will be a large plank with 16 pre-made holes, a support piece on the smooth side, as well as 4 large holes, 2 on each end. Part number 8 is the part that looks similar to part number 7, but does not have 16 pre-made holes. Parts number 9 will be 2 thin long planks with 2 holes on each end. Part number 10 will be a plank similar to the length and width of part number 9, but part number 10 has 4 holes on the top. Part number 11 will be a small plank with a slant on the top and 2 holes on the bottom. Part number 12 will be a small plank with a slant facing the opposite direction as part number 11 and with 2 holes on the bottom. To avoid mixing them up, remember that the front side is the rustic side, not the smooth side. Part number 13 is a small thin plank with 3 holes. Part number 14 is this large panel with a rustic exterior. Part number 15 is the panel that's about half the size of part number 14. Part number 16 is the left window piece. Part number 17 is similar to part number 16, but the incline is facing the opposite direction. Part number 18 is the roof piece that is fully covered, while part number 19 is the roof piece with the cutout. Part number 20 and 21 are similar, yet opposites. Place both parts as shown, with the exterior of each being the rustic side with 2 holes. The bottom piece will be part number 20 while the top piece will be your part number 21. Parts number 22 will be 2 small planks with 2 holes on each end. Part number 23 is a medium-sized plank with no holes. Part number 24 is the bed slats. Parts number 25 will be these 2 thin pieces with 10 pre-made holes on each. Parts number 26 will be 4 medium panels with 6 holes on each. And there you have it. Now you can begin to assemble your Susie wood Cabana low loft bed. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.